Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for coming.
Today we are tackling a space that looks great, but feels heavy. Is that you? We've got you. Today we're gonna talk about how to not overcrowd your space, how to declutter it, and make it breathe better.
Exactly. We are gonna make your space lighter and brighter by editing what you already have. We're gonna add a few small updates that make a big impact. Hooray! I found a coffee table in the garage.
Yeah, I can't believe we found this. We are here today with Tracy. Tracy, thank you so much for having us into your home.
What are some of your biggest challenges in your rooms?
I don't like the flow.
Okay, we got you. Next.
When the curtains are closed, it feels very dark.
Sure.
And heavy.
Okay.
For sure. And it's small and it's awkward shaped. And so I've never really felt like I could get the flow right.
If you could pick one focal point, would it be looking outside of your beautiful windows, or would it be your fireplace, or would it be your TV?
It would either be the window or the fireplace.
We are super clear on how you use the space. Let's get started.
Step one, how do you use the space? Tracy, tell us, what do you like to do in your living room?
I work. I watch movies with my nieces. Sometimes all the things get pushed out of the way and there's tumbling that happens. We play games.
So step one, we can see that furniture is blocking the flow of traffic and it's maybe not conducive to how you want to use it. So let's get started.
Step two, don't go out and buy a bunch of stuff. First, figure out what you have in your space, maybe in another room that could work in your living room. Let's assess the situation. This chair has some potential.
That's cute. Oh, I really like this sofa. This would be great.
Let's go check out the rest of the house. Yeah, that ottoman we could work for flexible seating. That mirror we could use to, share light and maybe add some depth to the room. That chair is killer. So instead of having two sofas, maybe we should move this chair into that room and see if that would be better used in the living room. Chairs in the bedroom usually are shit collectors anyways, so this would be a high-use chair in the living room.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Maybe that lamp. She might need to get some new furniture for her bedroom. We know right away we need a new rug. We always start
definitely
from the
need
base.
a larger rug, and we may not be able to make that happen today, but we can make suggestions to our friend Tracy.
Right.
That is too tall because we have short ceilings. This is a little too tall.
This styling is all competing against each other, so we'll figure out how to work with the mantle. That chest is cool. I wonder if
I want to
use
showcase it because I feel like it gets lost because it's dark and this is dark.
Yes.
So it's not being highlighted.
I think we're gonna need a different size coffee table. I'd love to get these competing sofas out of the way. That light's gotta go. Her light from her bedroom will be perfect. I'm keeping that small light because that will give us some light until we buy new. We've got the two ottomans. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay. We've traveled throughout the house and found things that we liked. Are they the perfect items? No, but they're good placeholders. This is a great chair. We took it from the bedroom. We're gonna use it a lot in the living room. These aren't the right size and color, but they give us the idea of what we should shop for.
And we took the console table from the entryway and put it behind the sofa. So now we want to focus in on what do we need? Well, obviously we now need a coffee table. So that's on our list of things to go purchase.
A flexible chair here, which could either be ottomans or a swivel chair, would be ideal because it shares the space with the dining room. Flexible seating, ding, ding, ding.
I would also get some new drapes, something that has a lot more texture that will bring color and tie the room together.
The room is dark. We need a lamp here. Oversized would be cool. Hooray! I found a coffee table in the garage.
Yeah, I can't believe we found this.
Why is this in the garage? Who knows? But gems are often hidden where you least expect it. We can refinish this or paint it and it'll be perfect. Step three is flow.
Okay, so we addressed flow in here by removing the sofa from blocking the space. When you walked in, it just felt overcrowded and it felt stuffed.
So we achieved opening up the space. That's a winner, winner chicken dinner. We have cluster seating over here with the bedroom chair, so sorry she lost that. And this amazing coffee table is circular. By using pieces from your own house, you identify what works and what doesn't and what's missing. So as you can see, we have some placeholders. These ottomans aren't perfect, but we're gonna shop for the perfect ottoman, for the perfect lamp, and maybe refinish this coffee table so it's perfect.
If any of this has been helpful, the guidebook is where you're gonna learn so many more tips and tricks. It's so extensive and it's at a great price point. To get the link, check out our description.
Step 4.
Shop intentionally.
We can't live with this rug, so we are going to shop for a rug that fits the space and tells the story from the ground up. We're back from shopping and we were successful in filling in a few of the holes. And we've identified we had a little bit of a dark zone for lighting, so we bought a lamp. We've got some updated sheer curtains to kind of zhuzh up the space. We knew we needed some flexible seating. We got ottomans, they're fine, but we could not find a rug. So we know we have a few things that we need to take care of to pull the room together.
And you know me, styling is everything. So we selected a few books to help anchor the coffee table, and we selected a few candlesticks to bring the height of this on down to the fireplace. We are really excited about the products that we sourced to finish Tracy's living room. We hope that you love these looks, and if you do, click the link below to shop the look, but more importantly, don't forget to go to our guidebook.
Tracy, we want to hear what you think about your space. What surprised you the most and what do you like the most?
I love the most that it feels welcoming.
Yes.
Like you can like walk into it. I'm surprised that it feels much bigger. Yeah, it's much bigger.
happens.
And I actually I was not sure about those drapes, but I really like them.
Ooh, nanny, nanny, boo, boo.
Yeah.
We winning. All right, great. And my favorite part of today was that we won on a coffee table that was sitting dissembled, if that's a word, in her garage.
My favorite part is the cozy reading area, like bringing your chair from the bedroom and having a plant and a warm light, little table. It's
Intentional seating,
Great moment.
intentional flow. Give me 5. Give me 5. You were a great sport, Tracy. Now you're out of here.
We hope that today we helped you with less is more. You know, be intentional about how you edit your space. We don't want to overcrowd it. We want it to feel welcoming and we want to let it breathe.
We hope this gives you motivation to get out there and spring clean. Get out there and spring clean! I thought that was friendly and nice.
If you liked this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends. It's vital to us being able to make these videos for you. Appreciate you. Thanks.
Peace.
What do you want me to take my shirt off?
It's gold, it's gold.
We have the sofa now on this wall and it takes up the entire wall. Oh.
Teal, you're in the shot.
Oh, I'm in the shot? That's not a good thing.